They said Lamborghini would never change. But what if their wildest car yet doesn't just roar? It breathes electricity. Welcome back to Upcoming AutoZone, the channel where we dive into the future of cars before they even hit the streets. And today, we've got something truly special for you. The 2026 Lamborghini Huracán Successor. A car that's about to redefine what supercar evolution really means. Now, Lamborghini has always been about drama, sharp lines, roaring engines, and pure Italian emotion. But this time, they're rewriting the rulebook. The Huracan Successor is going hybrid, marking a bold step into the electrified future. Don't worry, though. Still got that signature Lambo madness. Rumor has it, we're looking at a V8 twin-turbo hybrid system, pushing over 900 horsepower. The sound may be different, but the performance? Even more insane. Instant torque, blistering acceleration, and a whole new driving feel. This thing's built to shock. Design-wise, Lamborghini's going sharper, meaner, and somehow even more aggressive. Think of the low stance of the Huracan mixed with elements inspired by the Revuelto, wild aerodynamics, Y-shaped LED lights, and those signature scissor doors that make it look like it's ready to take off, not drive away. Inside, the cockpit is pure Lamborghini, but with a futuristic twist. There's a new minimalist layout with premium Alcantara, forged carbon fiber, and a driver-focused digital cluster that adapts in real time. It feels like stepping into a spaceship designed by Italian artists. And here's something no one expected. Lamborghini's adding off-road capability. Yeah, you heard that right. Select models will feature adjustable suspension and drive modes that can handle rough terrain. Imagine a Lambo that's just as confident on a mountain road as it is on the track. As for pricing, expect something in the $300,000 to $400,000 range, depending on the variant. But for that price, you're not just buying a car, you're buying a piece of history. Lamborghini's transition into the hybrid era. Compared to the old Huracan, this successor feels more advanced, more balanced, and far more intelligent. But it never forgets its soul. It's still loud, still bold, and still unmistakably Lamborghini. So, what do you think? Does a hybrid Lambo still feel like a true Lambo to you? Drop your thoughts below. And don't forget to subscribe, because here on Upcoming AutoZone, the future of cars is always just one video away.